Yeah,
Peppa,
Mommy
George,
and Dad
Mummy and
were
Daddy
having
are having
breakfast.
breakfast.
It's a lovely,
It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden to play.
Mom,
Mummy, can we go out to play?
You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast.
George! Don't
drink your juice too quickly.
George drank his juice too quickly. Now he has hiccups.